When you fall for a particular artist, you might download all their content, music, videos, photos, and more. But Android storage is limited. In this video, we'll show you how to easily remove downloaded items to free up space. Let's get started. Way 1. How to delete downloads on Android from settings. 1. Unlock your phone and go to Settings. 2. Find and select Downloads. 3. Review and mark the files to delete. 4. Swipe right and tap Delete. Way 2. How to delete downloads from Android via default file manager. 1. Open your file manager. 2. Go to the Downloads folder. 3. Long press the file you want to delete. 4. Tap the delete or trash icon. 5. Confirm when prompted. Way 3. How do I delete downloads on Android with App Tray? 1. Swipe up to access the Apps tray. 2. Locate the app you want to remove. 3. Press and hold the app. 4. Select Uninstall from the menu. 5. Tap OK to confirm. Way 4. How to delete Android downloads with Google Files. 1. Install Files by Google from the Play Store. 2. Open the Downloads folder. 3. Tap the three dots next to a file. 4. Select Move to Trash and confirm. Way 5. How do you delete downloads on Android from a browser directly? 1. Open Google Chrome on your Android. 2. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right. 3. Select Downloads. 4. Tap the trash icon next to the file you want to delete. 5. Confirm by tapping Delete. Way 6. How to erase a download on Android from computer. 1. Connect your Android to your computer via USB. 2. Open File Explorer and select your phone's drive. 3. If you have an SD card, you'll see 2 drives. 4. Find the files you want to delete. 5. Right-click on a file and select Delete. Additional tips: how to delete downloads on Android permanently. That's it. For simple deletions, use the methods above. For permanent deletion, use Mobikin Eraser. It securely wipes all files and is ideal for clearing your phone before passing it on.